Welcome everybody, I'm Dr. Jeff Abrams of Abrams Acupressure and Chiropractic here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to talk to you about some solutions for some of your foot problems that you may be having. A lot of patients have been coming in and they've been having some challenges not only with their feet with plantar fasciitis, flat feet, but it also has been affecting their gait, which causes hip problems and back problems. So I always tell patients structure starts from the ground up, so let's start with the foot and what can you do to manage it. First thing you'd want to do is employ your husband or your wife to help you with this aspect, or if you come to our office we can do it for you. But what you're going to do is just take some lotion here, put it in your hand, and then you're just going to gently rub that lotion on the bottom of the foot. And then what you're going to do, if you have flat feet or high arches and a lot of tension in your musculature here, is you're going to get in there with your thumb and you're going to break up all those adhesions underneath. And you just kind of work your way out towards the toes, okay? So you're just going to go all the way from the base of that calcaneal bone all the way up to the toes, okay? You'll break that up for about, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. And then what you're going to do is flip over onto the top side, and you want to find, there's a bone right here, okay? This talus bone. And once you find that bone, you're going to bore in and break up some of the adhesions on top of the foot, okay? The last thing that you want to do as far as muscle work is concerned is you want to work actually up into the shin muscle, which is, this muscle is actually called your tibialis anterior, and a lot of people that have foot problems, you'd be surprised on how if you work this area, it would actually take some of the pain away from the foot, okay? So you're going to work your way up towards the heart when you do this, and just kind of work that shin muscle. You work it in the front, the side, and then right on it, okay? And that should only take maybe 10 to 12 minutes total for that whole section. A couple other solutions that you can do at home if you have problems with your feet would be to soak your feet for about 10 minutes in hot Epsom salts, and then what you would do is you would take a golf ball and roll that up and down underneath the base of your foot to break up all the adhesions. Remember, the number one reason why patients get flat feet is A, orthopedically they are just challenged with it. Number two is they actually have tight musculature in there that'll pull on the calcaneus, which is in the base of the foot here, and that can actually lend itself to making bone spurs. So breaking up those adhesions with a golf ball and having somebody actually working that area out will prevent you from having A, foot problems, and B, bone spurs. The last thing that I would recommend is what we call a spider technology, and I'm certified to tape you. So if you're in the area and you're interested, we can actually tape you to give you much more neurological and orthopedic support for your ankle and for your foot. Okay? Once again, I'm Dr. Jeff Abrams of Abrams Acupressure and Chiropractic, reminding you all to elevate your game. Thanks for watching.